Welcome to How to Use Your iPad. In this video, we will talk about the basics of your new device. All iPads are to be used by students from pre-K to first grade. To start, make sure you have your iPad and that it is plugged into a wall or a computer. Everyone will be given a charging cable. Take a moment to look at all the different ports and buttons. At the top, we have the power button as well as the headphone jack. You can plug in headphones or earbuds here to listen to your teacher better. You can pair your AirPods, speakers, or wireless headphones as well. On the left side, you will find the volume buttons. And below the touchscreen is the home button, and at the bottom is the charging port. You will have noticed that the iPad comes with a case. This is to help keep the iPad safe. On the back of the case, you will see that it has a built-in kickstand. You can take it out and set it on top of a table or any flat surface. Please do not attempt to remove the case. To turn on your iPad, go ahead and hold down the power button located at the top of your tablet for a few seconds. You will see the Apple logo, and then it will take you to lock screen. From there, you have to press the home button at the bottom to go to your home screen. Here, you will find all of the apps that you will be using. Just a reminder that this is a Roma ISD iPad, and as such, you cannot download any other apps to the device. The iPad also has educational games for your child to use on their free time. Google Classroom and Google Drive are already downloaded for you. The new Roma ISD app is also there to help you with the latest news and information about Roma ISD. In the app books, students can find their lessons, assignments, and homework. So always be mindful and check this app. If you wish to create a folder to have your apps together, simply hold on to the app. A small window will show up. Here, you will click on the Edit home screen. They will start to move, and this means you can now move them. Just drag it to one of the other apps, and they will be grouped together. You can also name your new folder. You'll need to connect your iPad to the internet to be able to use it. It's easy to turn on your iPad's wireless connection on or off and join nearby networks so you can go online. Once you join a network, your device will connect to it automatically whenever it is in range. To connect a new network, go to the settings icon on your home screen and tap on Wi-Fi. Next, make sure your Wi-Fi is on. To join a network that's in range, for example, your home's Wi-Fi or a nearby public hotspot, look for it under Choose a Network. Then tap the network you want to use. If the network is secure, you will need to enter a password in order to connect to it. If the network isn't secure, you can connect to it without a password, but think carefully before you do, especially if it's a public hotspot. Anything you view or share over an unsecured network is not necessarily safe from prying eyes. There will be a blue check mark to show you which network you're on. If you wish to pair your AirPods or wireless headphones, just go back to your settings, click on Bluetooth, make sure it's on. Be sure to have your Bluetooth device on pair mode. You should see the name of the Bluetooth device on the screen. Click it, and you will see that it now says connected. If you want a shortcut to your brightness levels or volume, just swipe down on the top right corner and a few options come out. This includes an alarm, stopwatch, and screen lock. A shortcut to turning on and off your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth will also be there. If you have any trouble finding an app, just swipe down at the center of your screen from your home screen. And if you want to see your notifications, just swipe down on the top left corner. If you want to change the language, simply go to Settings, General, Language and Region, iPhone Language, and click on the language you'd like to see.